Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok comment field. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your cache. So open your TikTok application, click on your profile and click on the top right triple lines icon and click on settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll down until you find free up space and click on clear right beside cache and click on clear cache. This should go ahead and fix the problem. If it still doesn't, then what you want to do is try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Also ensure that VPN is turned off. The other thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and then click on search and then simply go ahead and search for TikTok. Once you've done that, click on the application, and if there are newer versions available for the application, there's going to be a little blue update button that you want to click on to update your application to the newest version. And it should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.